Tools has a long and very rich history. So it's all started in 1901 with the creation of the Tools product group and the start of the manufacturing. That's on a tools perspective. If you then look at the customer centre, the UK was the first country outside Sweden for Atlas Copco to create a sales company. In the 1990s, we launched the revolutionary Tensor S series of DC tooling, which revolutionized the business at that time. And then in 2000, there was the launch of the PowerFocus 3000. And then most recently, in the last couple of years, we've launched the Tensor IXB, which is a cordless battery nut runner with onboard controller, which is changing the game again. The business is now approximately 400 people in the UK, within 2 customer centres and 2 product companies, with an annual turnover of approximately £100 million. So we've grown significantly over the last few decades. One of the most exciting technological relationships that we have got going, and partnerships, is with Red Bull Formula One Racing. This we signed last year, a long-term agreement with them, and it is proven to be very motivational for our team. You know, they can connect and understand, you know, this sport, and they're particularly interested in what we can offer in terms of data and providing the data, and they see this as an opportunity for them to create competitive advantage in their sport. It's difficult to predict the next 150 years, but Atlas Copco will stay true to its purpose of helping its customers achieve their goals. Our employees and people will remain extremely important, with a strong focus on our core values of interaction, innovation and commitment. Also, sustainability is going to remain very important as well, and this will help drive innovation of our products, combined with trends such as big data and artificial intelligence and robotics and digitalization, to bring new products to the market. And I hope that in the next 150 years we can look back and be very proud of what we've achieved and the part we've played in making the planet a better place.